All right, this is Unit 7. Today's lesson is on range. Your learning target is I can find the range of a set of data. You have a vocabulary word to write today, and it is range. Range is the difference between the greatest number and the least number in a set. So, for example, if your greatest number in a set was 7 and the least number in the set was 2, then your range for that set of data would be 5. All right, let's look at a few examples. So if I had the numbers 1, 7, 4, 5, 5, 7, 2, 5. Okay, this is my set of data. And I wanted to find the mean, median, mode, and now we have a new word called range. So to find the mean, I add up all my numbers and I divide by the number of numbers that I have. So I add 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, 17 plus 5 is 22, 22 plus 7 is 29, 29 plus 2 is 31, 31 plus 5 is 36, so that equals 36. So to find the mean, I take 36 and I divide by the numbers I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 numbers. So 8 goes into 36 4 times. I have a remainder of 4, so that's my mean. My median is the middle number. To find the middle number, I need to write them from least to greatest. So I'm going to reorder them. 1, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, and 7, 7. Then I find my middle number by crossing one off on each side. And I find out that because these are the same number, if I add them together and divide by 2, I get 5. So my median equals 5. Mode is the number that appears the most. That number is also 5. And to find my range, I subtract the highest number, which would be 7, minus the lowest number, which is 1, and I get 6. So my median is 4 remainder 4. My median is 5, my mode is 5, and my range is 6. Alright, let's look at another set of data. So if I have the numbers 2, 9, 8, 3, and 2. So to find the range equals highest minus lowest. So I take 9, which is my highest number, subtract 2, which is my lowest number, and I get 7. So my range equals 7 for that set of data. Alright, let's look at finding range. So a range is a way to describe data and is found by subtracting the least or minimum number in a set from the greatest or maximum number. For example, in the set of numbers at the right, the greatest number is 28 and the least number is 15. The range of this set of data is 13 because 28 minus 15 is 13. Your job is to find the range of these three sets of data. Again, to find range, you take and you subtract the greatest number from the least number. Greatest minus least, or smallest. Alright, then we're going to look at 21 through 23. So now we're going to use a bar graph. So this can help us find the mean, median, and mode and range of data. So the first thing I want you to do is write down what is the numbers for each of these. So this Illinois would be 420. Koyukuk would be 470. Nelson River 410. Salmon 420. Neosho 460. Alright, so number 21 says, how can you tell simply by looking at the graph that the mean length is greater than 410? Remember, mean is average. So how can you tell that the average number will be greater than 410? Okay, number 22 says, explain how you can find the median or the middle number by using the graph. And number 23, which one would not be affected? Not mean, median, mode, or range. If a river with a length of 450 was added to the graph. So if you added one right here that measured 450, which data would stay the same? Mean, median, mode, or range? There are more than one. There are two different ones that would not change. Alright, as soon as you finish this page, go ahead and raise your hand for a star, and then we're ready to move on. Alright, next I would like you to find the range of these three sets of data. Then I will have your homework uploaded to Schoology. I don't have a copy for you to look on here, but your homework will be on mean, median, mode, and range. When you're finished with that, you'll work on IXL. Don't forget to get a star on this page here before you move to homework.